wonderful sunset, birds all over the place. So I was feeling real good. And then I took out my camera to film the intro. Realized my battery was dead. Somehow, I don't know, I charged it last night. And I went to find my bag to get my battery. Battery died. I don't know what's going on. I had 30% and my GoPro shut out saying battery low. Anyway, died again. Messing with my camera to figure out what's going on. Died again. Battery died. I charged this last night. I know I charged it last night. I looked around, tried to find my bag so I could get my battery out. I looked, no bag. And I put it in my cart. So I ran down the pier looking for my bag. I'm praying, Lord, please help me to find this bag. So I retraced my steps and I went way back to the car. That's where I saw it laying on the sidewalk. It just fell out of the cart. Thank God I found that. Battery died again. Went to a new spot. It looks nice. Might go there again. I caught a 12-inch redfish. Other people got the same size redfish. Had to throw them back. Battery died again, so you couldn't see it. I'm gonna try this spot again. Stay tuned for the video whenever it comes out. Take care.